Welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for a way to boost your internet speed, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an SSH/SSL server account for faster internet connections and set it up on the HTTP Custom VPN app. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and in the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results. Find the official UDP Custom website and click on it. This is where we'll be creating our SSH/SSL server. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, locate the menu button, which is typically found in the top corner. Click on it, and you'll see a list of options. From this menu, select SSH server. You'll then be redirected to the account creation page. It's a simple process. Just enter a username, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Create Now. Your server details will be generated in about 10 seconds. Once the details appear, click the Copy Server Info button to save the data to your clipboard. Paste the info into your device's note-taking app or any secure place for future use. Now, let's move on to setting up HTTP Custom VPN. If you don't already have it, head over to your device's Play Store. Type HTTP Custom in the search bar, and once you find it, click Install. After installation, open the app and you'll be directed to its home page. Once you're on the home page of HTTP Custom, the first thing you'll want to do is check the SSL box. After that, enter the server details you created earlier, the IP address, port, username, and password in their respective fields. Once all the information is entered correctly, hit the Start button. You'll be connected to a secure, fast SSH/SSL web connection within seconds. That's it. You've successfully created and connected an SSH/SSL server using the HTTP Custom app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.